Hey, welcome! Happy New Year! Did you also start the new year with lots of new intentions and manifestations? If so, I have a new series for you, High Vibrational Foods. So it's all about really healthy, whole foods, plant-based dishes to start the new year and get your body and your mind into that right mode to attract what you really want for 2021. So today I have this beautiful Indian style thali for you with a red lentil dal, we have a cucumber raita, we have a mango chutney, a raw version, we have a turmeric cauliflower rice, we have pickles and salads. So stay with me because we're gonna dive into it right now. Every Indian thali, of course, needs a lentil dish, and we are making a red lentil dal to start out with. For that, I'm using our high vibrational, all organic Ahimsa spice blend, Ayurvedic healing. You can order them online, organicspicesibiza.com, and we send them to you. So for our red lentil dal, of course, we need red lentils. These are our ingredients. We start out with sauteing some onion, and I immediately add some salt to it so the onion really starts sweating. We are adding our fresh ginger, turmeric and garlic to it, and it gets this amazing yellow color already. And we're gonna add our Ayurvedic healing spices to it. Now it's time to add our lentils. I'm also gonna add this organic tomato sauce, and I really love my dal with coconut milk, so it just gets this extra richness and creaminess. So we're gonna let that boil at a low temperature for around 15 to 20 minutes until the lentils look like this. Now let's go and make our pickled onions. I always need something pink on the plate, as you guys might know already. So I like to do that at the beginning of the preparation of the meal because then it can sit in the fridge for a little while and really get this beautiful pink color. So these are our ingredients. We obviously need red onion, and then I'm making the pickle brine with water, apple cider vinegar, salt and coconut sugar. I do like to add some beets and beet juice because it just gets an even more vibrant color. This is of course optional. So I'm thinly slicing the red onion with the mandolin. In the meantime, I'm also preparing the pickle brine and adding the water, the vinegar, the salt and the sugar. And once the sugar and the salt have dissolved, we turn it off, we let it cool, and we stuff everything into our little mason jar. So we're gonna put that in the fridge now until we are ready to play. So next is our cucumber raita. I'm using this coconut yogurt from Alpro here, and these are the rest of our ingredients. So we mix it all together and we end up with this creamy, delicious raita. For more color, texture and crunch, we are making this cabbage-carrot salad, which is extremely easy to make. I already shredded some cabbage and carrots, and we're gonna mix that all together with these beautiful ingredients. Indian food is typically served with basmati rice. As you probably know, we are making our own really healthy and actually much simpler version of rice today, and we're only needing 2 ingredients for this, which is cauliflower and turmeric. So we're basically making a yellow rice out of those 2 ingredients. So take your cauliflower apart. There is no need to be exact here because it's all gonna go in the food processor. So we're gonna add that to the food processor and add our turmeric. I'm not gonna add any more spices to it because all the other food will be really flavorful, so this won't be necessary. So you want to make sure not to over process it, so just start out little by little. You don't want to turn it into the paste. The result should still be this grainy rice-like texture. That was so quick, you guys. Last but not least, we're making our raw mango chutney, which is actually also much quicker than the cooked version. So these are all my beautiful ingredients. We're gonna add all the ingredients to the food processor. Now we finished our 6 beautiful dishes. Of course, you can only make 2, 3 or 4 of them, however many you like. And we're gonna add a little bit of garnish, some flowers, some herbs, just to make it extra pretty. And this is our beautiful thali. So let me know, you guys, what you think of this recipe down below. I can't wait to hear and read from you. You can also follow me on Instagram, Ahimsa Plant Kitchen. I'm posting every day now, and I can't wait to see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.